Welcome to the new DBO Vault. As you all know, the Department of Business Oversight is a very dynamic environment. The new DBO Vault will play a powerful role in keeping everyone informed, provide documents and information to support our efforts, all while helping us work together. The benefits of the Vault are so exciting, we wanted to take this opportunity to take you on a guided tour and introduce you to some of its many new features. Here we are on the home page of the Vault. The new design puts the My DBO applications front and center while sharing the space with popular resource links connecting you to travel documents, policies and procedures, and even more Vault training opportunities. Below that, we have an area of important links with an adjacent tab that lets you store your own favorite links right here on the home page. The Popular Documents area works the same way. The department's most popular documents are available under this tab, while the My Docs tab lets you save links to the documents most important to you. Underneath that are the DBO Clips articles to keep you informed on DBO in the press. Below the weather, which automatically adjusts to each individual's location, is a list of department events indicating their location and with a title bar that with just a click connects you to a complete calendar that includes the events from across the department. In addition to spotlight articles and recommended how-to videos, the homepage also provides information about internal news, external news, and human interest stories from around the Vault. There's even the ability to submit your own DBO news or to request topics that would be of benefit to the entire organization. But the homepage is just the tip of the iceberg. The basic concept of the Vault is that it is a pyramid of websites that mimics the organizational chart of the department, with a site for each of the functions, teams, and programs. The manager of each function, team, or program is the logical owner for each site. To avoid confusion, most of the sites follow a well-established popular layout. The layout includes the name of the site at the top of the page, attached to an image that reflects the purpose of the group. After that comes a description of what the group does. Next is an announcements area that would typically contain announcements for both the people that work in the group as well as, potentially, other employees that are just visiting the site. Each site also has their own calendar of events. While the homepage of each site normally shows an abbreviated view of the announcements list and an abbreviated view of the calendar, clicking on the title bar for each of these areas will take you to a full page dedicated to showing you either a chronology of all of the announcements or a full month view of the calendar. As you might imagine, clicking on an individual calendar event or an individual announcement will open up a detailed view of that item. Navigating the environment is only slightly different from navigating a conventional website. From any site in the Vault, you can return to the top of the intranet by clicking on this icon or clicking on the logo for the Vault. The common way to navigate the Vault is to use the horizontal bar that offers drop-down links to take you directly to any site. Once you're in a given site, the links on the left-hand side will deliver you to the libraries, lists, calendars, and announcements contained within that site. Because the Vault isn't just a single site, but a pyramid of individual sites, you will always have two navigation systems, the one across the top taking you from site to site, and the one down the left-hand side allowing you to reach things contained within the current site. One of the main advantages to the Vault is that each of the sites include what are called libraries. Links to a site's libraries appear under the name Libraries in the group of links on the left-hand side of the page. You can open a library just by clicking on this link. It's important to understand that the site knows who you are, and you will only see links to the libraries that you have permission to enter. Built using Microsoft SharePoint, these libraries operate similarly to folders on shared drives, but with a few advancements that are so significant that most organizations have converted from using shared drives to using SharePoint libraries. The main advantage to using these libraries is that they can automatically keep a permanent record of each version of any document ever stored in them. Essentially, these libraries make automatic backups each time a document is edited or altered in any way. This means that if the document is in a SharePoint library, you don't need a copy of it on your desktop. The documents in these libraries will always represent the newest, most current version of each document. Additionally, because previous versions are automatically stored, if the document is ever damaged, a site owner can easily restore the previous version. Opening or downloading a document in a SharePoint document library is as easy as clicking on the name of the document. Adding a document to a SharePoint document library is as easy as dragging the document from Windows Explorer and dropping it right on top of the library. For those of you that are site owners, it's important to understand that these libraries can be easily configured so that only your team members can have access to them, while other libraries, where you want to provide documents to all employees, can be set to allow a much broader range of access. One last point is that while most of the sites in the Vault are dedicated to specific groups, teams, or programs, a few of the areas are designed to provide easy access to news and information or support services. One of these would be the Tools area of the Vault, pages providing groups of helpful hyperlinks. Another would be the Support site, providing Vault training delivered as short videos. Also, be sure to watch for exciting new developments, especially in the area of human resources and business operations. I hope you've enjoyed this brief tour of the new Vault, and that you take an opportunity to explore it and learn how it can help you.